Ain't he done? Birthday lunch.
Birthday lunch.
Where you going?
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden for birthday lunch. It's birthday shopping with the birthday girl. What do you bet she doesn't find anything she likes?
Probably not. Oh, are you?
Come on, let's. Oh, we'll put the curtain back and flip it open. I want to see a big. Bam! Strut, strut.
Oh, stop it.
Hey.
Mother just told me I need to self-tan.
Oh no.
She just called me pasty.
Pasty white.
And
Well,
why am I pasty? Because she's pasty.
it's your fault, genetic woman.
Let me see.
Yep.
That's really cute.
It shows off the kitten scratches, but
Yeah.
no, you look cute in that. Look at that. What does everybody think? 1 to 10.
Don't ask them that. Lord. Birthday day.
Is that your date?
My Prince Charming.
Now you just kissed the frog that 8 million people have kissed.
Yeah, I didn't put my mouth on it.
I saw. There it is. Oh no, they spelled her name wrong. Oh no. Oh no.
I
Oh
see.
no. I don't know if this is going to be acceptable or not.
What's the
They
matter?
spelled your name wrong.
Did they spell my name wrong again?
Again, every
Again?
time they get it wrong.
What is it this time?
Happy birthday, lasagna.
Lasagna!
I don't know.
Every year.
Every year they get it wrong. I don't know what to do about it.
That's a good one.
Look at this. It's
Look how
birthday
beautiful.
content day. Look.
This is for my fabulous heart pine people.
Oh.
Look how beautiful. But okay, this one, happy birthday. Oh, it's my sister.
From your sister, Lee.
And my sister Lee.
Oh.
Look at my beautiful flowers from my beautiful people.
She's being sisterly. Yeah, I had them go in and put extra icing here and here and here and here and here. Why?
Because it has to be all covered with icing.
Somebody loves her icing.
This is the only time of year I eat like this. So we're going to live it up.
We're going to get it. All right.
Look how beautiful these are.
Look at
So
that.
we've got calla lilies and roses and peonies and the ceanthus. Somebody corrected me the other day. Let's see what else. Aster. Did I say ranunculus already? Look how gorgeous that is. It's like a rainbow. Isn't that beautiful? And then these are from my sweet, sweet friends. And they have tulips, which they know are my favorites, and daisies, and delphinium, and more asters and roses, and more leucanthus. Oh, these are gorgeous.
It already smells better in here.
I know, doesn't it? Oh, they're so beautiful.
You need to open your present.
Let me open my present.
Yeah. It may require time lapse. I love that.
That is the appropriate way to open it.
That's the way you do it right there. I think you're gonna need a pocket knife.
Candy.
Oh, there's
And stickers.
strawberry
These are the
stickers.
kind the teacher used to put on your.
There's scratch and sniff.
These are exact. I know exactly. Wait, before we even open this, I
Oh,
gotta open this, 'cause I
she's
know
excited
exactly
about the
what these
$2
smell
stickers.
like. Well, I used to get these when I made good M's.
Really?
Yes. Oh my gosh, they still smell exactly the same. Oh my gosh. Where do they have these?
Hobby Lobby,
Because,
which we're soon to have in Natchez, Mississippi.
oh my gosh. I'm way more excited about these than I should be.
Oh no. Well, I'm glad I got those for you.
And you know what? I can still, there were chocolate ones. And I can still remember what the chocolate ones smelled like.
Chocolate, it's like
Stickers,
oh.
registered stickers, just
Yeah,
like these.
yeah.
And this is what the teacher would give us when we did well. Oh, I remember what the popcorn smelled
They're
like.
called stinky stickers, which I don't get, but
Well, because they never, I mean, these smell good.
yeah, I thought they'd smell like
But
strawberry, right?
some of them, like the chocolate ones didn't smell good. They smelled like burned chocolate. That's funny.
Huh.
What could this be? Should you tell them what you did?
So I thought I was being sneaky and smart this year, and I went on to eBay, and we share an eBay account, and I saw that you want this pocket knife?
Yes.
I saw that she had
had
looked at
saved
this,
this.
had saved it, and looked at it, but didn't buy it, which is a rarity. She saw something she liked. And so I thought, oh, good, I know she likes it. I can buy this for her and actually surprise
Surprise
her.
her.
But then what happened?
Well, we share an eBay account, so I got a shipping notification.
Oh, you got to ship. I didn't know that. I thought you just saw that it came off
And
the
so
thing.
then I panicked because I didn't think I knew I hadn't bought it because I thought it was kind of expensive. And so then I had to ask you, did you buy this? And he had bought it for
Oh,
my
like,
birthday.
whoa. Huh?
the
Oh, you
knife
need the knife again?
So yeah,
So that's
what
what
had
happened.
happened was
So, yeah. So, yet again, she knows what she's getting.
they wrapped it really well.
You've got a theme this year,
I
really.
do have a theme. I like a theme. Well, you also know that you're safe if you buy me anything with strawberries on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna love it. Jewelry, clothes, dishes, whatever. Strawberries, we're gonna do good. This part you might want to time lapse.
Da 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 da. No, that's the wrong music.
Ooh.
Whoa! What was that?
Me trying to break other dishes.
Other dishes, okay. As long as this dish is not broken.
Goodness. Well, if it is, it's not the shipper's fault.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Each one is taped. Doesn't feel like that was necessary. Are they still watching?
Oh my gosh. Ta-da!
Oh, it's not nearly as big as I thought it was gonna be.
Look, so it's blue feather edge.
Hold on, I'm gonna switch over to video. Hold on. Okay, we're back live. So I'm gonna
And you
zoom
should
in
tell
on
them
this.
that the beeping is our refrigerator.
Yes,
We've
if
got a
you hear
problem with the
beeping, our refrigerator is screwed up.
So these are late 18th century. You can tell by the edge of the plate and the way it's done, and then hand decorated. Which these are super rare to get the ones that have the decoration in them.
Yeah.
They're just strawberries.
And there's
See?
a strawberry in the
See?
middle.
I got this one at auction. You probably don't want to know the difference in what I paid for this huge one at auction, what you paid for this tiny one on eBay.
No, I don't want to.
But this one has a strawberry, and this one does not.
Yeah,
So,
strawberries
this
worth
one is special.
lots of money.
Yes. Should we show them what our 18th century dining table is going to look like from things that we've dug up
Yes.
in the yard?
Are they all right here?
No, I'll have to go get them, so turn it off and I'll
Okay.
go get some
We'll
things
come.
that we
We'll
can
be right
show.
back.
Okay.
Show and tell.
Show and tell. So, as you know, we have dug up, and Kevin's going to show you some clips here. In our yard, we have excavated what would have been the original dishes at Hope Farm, like 18th century original dishes. So we have spridware in this pattern.
Let's zoom in. Yep.
And then green feather edge. So I'll set the table with the larger green feather edge at the base. These are definitely 17th century, made in Leeds. It's the same pattern that's actually at Monticello. And this is super interesting. So this would have been your wine glass. How much wine you would have had. And you only had one wine glass. And then you had this on the table next to it filled with water. And every time they would change your wine, you would put this in and spin it around. That's your wine rinser. And you would rinse out your glass, and then you're ready for your next wine. So this is as far as I've gotten so far. I have a ton of serving pieces that will set on the table as well. 18th century cutlery is very different than 19th and 20th century cutlery. And I'm super mad because at one point on eBay, there was a set of 12 18th century knives and forks, and they were a little expensive, and I was like, I'll wait. And then the minute I went back to get them, they were gone, and I've never seen 12 again. So I'll regret that forever. Always buy the antique when you see it. And then for the kitchen, we're doing the blue feather edge because we found the blue feather edge in the dirt as well. So I've got to go up on the shelves, and then to actually I'll use the plates, but then I'll decorate with the pretty blue feather edge.
Yay!
So fun.
Can see all my sons. There's one son, and there's another son, and there's a son, and then there's a son hiding right there. Hey, Tanky, is that your spot, buddy?
Left to right. From my friend Laura, from my sister, from our fabulous Heart Pine friends, and from my friend Carrie.
Gonna smell real good in here real soon, isn't it?
Aren't they beautiful?
First slice of cookie cake. Almost
Heaven.
gone.
Heaven.
In bed.
Haven't had it for a year. I'm probably gonna be so sick. Worth it.
What's that pink icing gonna do, I wonder?
Oh, won't talk about that.
We'll talk about that. Stanley wants some?
Well, I'm embarrassed that they've seen the house. I noticed in the last video that you could see what the house looks like, and I feel like I need to tell you what's going on so we're clear. Gently, I'll tell you gently. We have not been here in 4 months, and we have some people who are very, very dear to us living here to take care of our dogs. But they're very young and didn't know things like you have to change the air conditioner filter and those kind of things. So the house itself needs some love, needs a little bit of love. So before I go back, I'm gonna have to do a super deep clean. Like all the furniture's been moved around. There's some paint that needs to be touched up. There's a lot of things we need to do to the outside. But I just wanted you to know that the house you can see in the background that's not what it looks like when we live here.